Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to activate your Straight Talk eSIM. It's very easy and simple, but first you need to check your eSIM compatibility, right? Make sure that your phone supports eSIM and is actually unlocked. So what you do is you go to settings, go to about phone, okay? And then you need to look for EID. If it's there, you're good, okay? And your device must also be compatible with Straight Talk's network. Usually Verizon, AT&T, or even T-Mobile. And what you do is you purchase an eSIM plan from Straight Talk. You can just buy this from, the Straight Talk website or the app, and during checkout, right, choose eSIM as the delivery method instead of a physical SIM. Next, what you do is you get the eSIM QR code or activation details right after the purchase. Straight Talk will basically send you an activation email with either a QR code to scan or a manual activation code. And what you do is you just install that eSIM on your phone. You go to your phone's eSIM settings. So for iPhone, you go to your settings, go to cellular, and then you click on add cellular plan. You just scan that QR code or you enter the activation information manually. And for Android, you go to settings, you go to network and internet, and then go ahead and click on SIMs or mobile network, and then you just tap on the plus to add a new SIM and follow the prompts to scan, or you can enter it manually. And once this SIM is installed, what you do is return to the Straight Talk website or app, and you sign in, enter your order details, and go ahead and tap activate and follow the prompts to finalize the setup. And it's really easy and simple. And after that, I recommend restarting your device to ensure that the eSIM is fully working. So I hope this guide provided advice to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.